Hello, my name is Nicole, and welcome to my urban homestead. My family and I found this place back in December of 2020, 0.4 acre, which one can do so much with. I did grow up a country girl, so I could not wait to have my own farm out in the city because it's very hard buying acreage with a market right now. But you can still do things with what you got. I have a lot here to work with. So let me show you my garden. But first, we need to set the ambience. Let's put on some guitar music. Much better. That way it gives you the feel of a homestead. Let me show you my garden. I plan on living here for the rest of my life. This is my forever home, especially since I can do so much with it and there's not much better out there for me. So let me show you what I gotten done in a little bit of time that I had so far. But this place is going to grow so much and I welcome you to my channel. First off, this was going to be a strawberry bed. There are strawberries hiding in here. I can't even see them right now because I decided to plant a couple of sweet potatoes, and as you can see, they took over. As you can see over there. I had the netting on here to protect the strawberries from the birds, but I think this will be my forever strawberry bed. I'm sorry, my forever sweet potato bed. This is my main garden bed for this year, but next year will be strawberries. That'll probably be strawberries from now on. This huge honkin' mess is my squash and some of my butternut squashes. This is what happens when you water very well. So right now, it's just a mess. We got tomatoes, and we got squash, and a bee taking a nap. They do that a lot here. They take naps. I did have tomatoes in just that section, but even though I had them caged, they still grew so big that they fell over, and they're taking over the entire garden bed. Like, it is difficult having to get tomatoes from all of this. Still learning. Farmers always learn. Homesteaders, I should say. Underneath is my kidney beans, but they probably won't be okay with all those tomatoes. That's okay. I've learned so much from this. Over here, I used what I could for containers this year. Got my basil, my beets, some peppers. You can use Tidy Cat's containers. As long as you clean them out and you poke holes at the bottom, you can use anything. But I will be filling up the line with these barrels that you can buy at Walmart or Home Depot. And that way I have more control of what I grow. Along with my gardening, I've also been trying to have an oasis for birds and butterflies, squirrels if I must. And so I finally found a place for my bird feeder. I think that's a good spot right there. Sorry, birds. Didn't mean to scare ya. This is my second round of pumpkins. I'm hoping to grow these pumpkins in time for Halloween. The first batch did pretty good. Pumpkins don't grow as big when they're in containers. Keep that in mind. They're much happier on the ground. I have so much fence line I can put those barrels on. And this pumpkin mess I'm watering right now. Pumpkins are doing phenomenal. I've had so many this year, including this bad boy. That guy will definitely be ready for Halloween. Once this garden is all done, I'm going to clean it up, and this will be my permanent raspberry section. For now, though, I got these started this year. They gave me a couple raspberries. Got some blueberries growing. And my first eggplant. Never grew eggplant before. I already picked the one this year. It was pretty tasty. And then more mess of tomatoes. Now inside this mess, there is cucumber. There's cucumber. There is a pepper way back there. It's doing okay. I don't think you can see it without me digging in there. I made arches, which are definitely covered, but they have helped my tomatoes grow taller. And I got this little guy getting ready to be picked. He's just got to sharpen up. As you can see, I made that grid. The grid was for my peas, which are done. Except there was a little bit here. Oh, there it is. A little bit of peas. Let me show you my favorite part. My peaceful place in the world, my orchard. My orchard is hiding just back here for my little kiddos. I'll have to keep the gates extra locked. And my orchard. There we go. Right here is my compost barrel. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I try to turn it a couple times a week. Made it myself. There we go. Watch out, it's pretty gross. But the plants love it. It's even grown some sprouts. But I'll stir it up, give it some water. Looks like it could use more brown compost. So I'll set that up. There we go. Alright, best part. The orchard. I have one bed I'm working on in between family time and sewing time. And I discovered my first hummingbird. So hopefully the hummingbirds will find that feeder right there. And my apple trees. This is year one. These two are my apples. I got my beautiful peach tree. And my strong and steady pear tree. And right here in the middle, I call this my butterfly party zone. It was going to be a well for my apple trees. I put a barrel down, but I did not do the watering system right, so now it is a beautiful flower pot. Good for my butterflies and bees. For now I had watermelon here. My raspberries were here this year until I moved them. But when these guys are all done, I'm going to tear this out, put a beautiful honeycomb looking cement pad here, and that will be where my bees go. I'm starting a wood chip line for my viney plants because I discovered they do not like pots. They do not grow so well. But it did work on a pinch. I did put a tomato plant here though. I'm gonna try one more tomato plant before the year's over. Got some squash. Now I'll have this whole line with wood chips. That way it'll look tidier and easier to mow instead of all this. I have cucumbers growing here, but as you can see, this one's stuck because there's two fences right there. Oh, look at the little bee. Got all this squash everywhere. Trying one more route of plants before winter, before they're done growing. Try and grow as much as I can. And my keyhole garden bed. Hopefully down the road I can slowly fill this whole fence line with keyhole garden beds. Just like that. And that is my garden tour. I hope down the road, especially as the kids get older, I'm getting my bees next year, and I hope to get rabbits, chickens, and goats, little miniature dairy goats. So as you can see, I have so much work in front of me, but it's something that I deeply enjoy. I love growing things, I love being self-sufficient, taking care of my family, and I welcome you to my world. So much learning we get to do together, and I welcome you. Thank you for watching. Let's keep on growing.